In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Avax C Chain to MetaMask. First, open MetaMask and unlock your wallet. When you unlock MetaMask, you will see your wallet interface, which displays your account balance and transaction history. This is a crucial step because you need to access your wallet to make any changes to your networks. If you are on mobile, you may need to enter your password or use biometric authentication. On desktop, simply enter your password. Once you are in, you are ready to proceed with adding the Avalanche C Chain. Next, tap or click the network selector, which is usually displaying Ethereum mainnet. The network selector is found at the top of your wallet interface. By clicking this, you open a drop-down menu that lists all available networks. This step is important because it allows you to access the option to add a new network. You want to ensure you are on the correct screen to make your changes smoothly. Now select Add Network. After clicking the network selector, you will see an option to add a new network at the bottom of the list. This is where you can initiate the process of adding the Avalanche Network C-Chain. By doing this, you are expanding your wallet's capabilities, allowing you to interact with a new blockchain. Find Avalanche Network C-Chain and select Add. In the list of networks, look for Avalanche Network C-Chain. When you find it, tap or click on it to add it to your list of networks. This is a simple action, but it is fundamental because it enables your wallet to recognize and interact with the Avalanche blockchain. After that, review the network details and select Approve. A new window will pop up with details about the Avalanche network, including the RPC URL and chain ID. It is essential to check this information to ensure it is correct. Once you confirm that everything looks good, you can approve the addition of the network. This verification step is essential to avoid issues later on. Once that is done, switch to Avalanche Network C-Chain. You will return to the network selector where you can now see the Avalanche network listed. Click on it to switch your active network to Avalanche. This change allows you to interact with assets on the Avalanche blockchain directly from your MetaMask wallet. If you prefer a manual method, begin by opening MetaMask again. Make sure your wallet is unlocked as before. This step is important because the next actions will not work unless you have access to your wallet. You will need to navigate through the options available in your wallet interface. From there, go to Networks and select Add Network, then add a network manually. You should see an option for adding a network manually. This approach gives you more control over the details you enter. This method is beneficial if you want to be precise about the network settings. Enter the following details: network name, Avalanche Network, RPC URL, https://api.avax, network/ht/bc/c/rpc, chain ID 43114, currency symbol AVAX, block explorer URL, https://snowtrace.io. Ensure that you input this information accurately. Each field plays a vital role in ensuring your wallet can connect properly to the Avalanche C-Chain. Select Save after entering all the details. This action confirms your inputs and saves the new network settings into your MetaMask. When you save, you will see a confirmation appear. This ensures that your changes are recorded correctly. Finally, switch to the Avalanche network. Similar to the previous method, you will return to the network selector. Find and select Avalanche Network to activate it. Now you can manage your AVAX assets on the C-Chain directly from your MetaMask. Remember, MetaMask only supports the Avalanche C-Chain. If your AVAX is on the X chain or P chain, you'll need to move it to the C chain before you can use it with MetaMask. This is important because it ensures you can access and utilize your funds effectively.